I want to show you one of my favorite grading tips on Classkick. So hopefully you have used the auto grade functions, the fill in the blank and the multiple choice. But as we know, not everything can be auto graded. And so I want to show you a really quick way to manually grade things, including manipulatives, the drag and drop, using a single question view. So as you can see here, I have some student work and I'm going to toggle to my single question view. So I would like to grade this slide 16 where they had a drag and drop. So I'm going to go to here, and instead of clicking view all slides, I'm going to choose the slide I want to view, which is slide 16. And now I can see everybody's work for this one question. It gives me kind of an overview snapshot of what everyone has done. You can see that I've made this slide worth 4 points because there were 4 things to drag and drop. And so I want to show you how to quickly grade those manually. So simply put your cursor in the first blank that you're going to grade, and then use the tab key once you've entered a grade to move between slides. So this person did it all right, so they get 4 points. And then I just press my tab key on my keyboard and keep moving. As I continue to press tab, my screen will auto scroll down so that I don't have to do anything else except for type and go and type and go. So I'll keep giving these students points. This student did not do it correctly, so I could actually jump into there. I could leave them a note that says, hey, make sure you use the selector tool instead of drawing with lines, and wait to give them points. And then I go back. I can even assign them 0 points to start with and then change it later, and then just keep on going. So I hope that single question view helps you grade things quickly.